Hi guys, I had a couple things I wanted to talk to you about this week. I had suggested that maybe we should get a massage this week because you guys are putting in so much work and you might be a little sore. Unfortunately, the massage therapists are closed right now. So what you can do though instead is get yourself some rollers. Now I have this is a ball called the Orb, and this is kind of good for getting up in the upper hamstrings and things like that. And this is a kind of a typical roller where you can just sit on it and roll it all down your legs and all the way back, and you can just lie on your stomach and do the same thing on the front of your legs and all the way back, and do that for 10 or 15 minutes at night or something when you're watching TV, and that could really help you guys with your recovery. The other thing I wanted to talk about was the walk breaks, and maybe you're wondering why we're keeping with walk breaks throughout the whole program. And the reason is that the walk breaks help you build endurance and strength by letting the muscles rest and relax. Okay, so because it can be intimidating to say, well, just go run 40 minutes, just do it easy. Well, no, that's not going to work for a beginner, right? And by building up, with short intervals at a time, it's not so bad to think, oh, I just have to run for 5 minutes and I get a break, and then do it again and again. And like we have been doing, after a while, the running gets extended and the walking just starts to disappear a little bit. Taking walk breaks also reduces your core temperature during those walk breaks, which in turn helps to prevent injuries and also increases your recovery time. So, guys, you're doing great. I'm really loving the Facebook posts, and the weather's getting nicer, so things are looking up. Have a great week this week, guys. I can't wait to see what you guys are doing. Bye.